character traits that make you happy. When we look in the mirror, it's often our characters or lack thereof that speaks the loudest. But not all character traits are created equal, at least not insofar as happiness is concerned. Based on a decade of one on one coaching experiences with students and clients, we have found that the following are those traits we are convinced will have the greatest impact on your happiness. Courage. Fear is the great thief of happiness. It sneaks in closed door and robs us of resolve and the commitment and ability to endure the challenges we face. Courage, on the other hand, is fear, great nemesis. It allows us to challenge our comfort zone, approach people and situations, embrace life, and accept the pain that's inevitable in all our lives. Without courage, happiness is little more than an illusion. Patience. Impatience is major bully to happiness. It pushes happiness out of the neighborhood almost as soon as it shows up. But learning to accept and allow, to go with the flow and relax a bit, is critical to living a happy life. Impatience is often the irritations we feel at the loss of control. But life bubbles and gurgles in ever changing and unpredictable ways. It simply is not 100% controllable. The more we try to control the outcome of events that boil up around us with any kind of precision, the more frustrated we will feel. So breathe, relax, take it in. Be patient, learn to accept uncertainty and body up to the unpredictable. Let life happen, at least a little. You will find it that much more beautiful and joyful when you do. Gratitude. To be grateful is to notice that good amid the bad, the color against the backdrop of grey, the lovely even as it's surrounded by the ugly. It's to count your blessing and recognize how beautiful life is even when life is not going quite as planned. More on this in the next sections. Learning to be grateful requires seeing what is not always on the surface. It requires retaining your mind to think about the silver lining in life, letting it permit your mindset and the all over way you experience life. When we are grateful, our problems don't disappear, they simply occupy less space in our hearts, minds, and lives. Love. To recognize the centrality of love to living a happy life. Just imagine a life lived without it. Imagine a hateful, loveless life of happiness. Impossible, right? The more love that beats in your heart, the happier and more buoyant your heart will be. The more you love life, the more life will love you back. Love overlooks weakness and closes its eyes to idiosyncrasies. It accepts, sees, and empowers what's best in others. Forgiveness. People who hold on to pain, who nurse their wounds, who call out the troops to seek vengeance for the wrong done to them, may with battles here and there, but the war against unhappiness will largely be lost before it's even started. Refusal to forgive leads to a self imposed imprisonment. It's time we free ourselves.